Alright, so a little explanation of what's going on here. We have a family member who, in the past, I don't know, 2 months or so, their sewer backed up and started filling up the bathtub. So then we did the normal thing. We looked around the pipes and everything, and we rented a snake and snaked the whole thing from the clean out. Well, what we found was the snake was coming back with a ton of tree roots on the end. Now, this is an older house built in like the 20s or the 30s or something, so the sewer pipes are cast iron and clay. So it made sense that the pipes probably cracked and broke and roots found their way inside. So, pretty much the best bet would be to dig up all the old pipe and put in some new PVC. So, that's pretty much what you're going to see in this video. It's a little bit different from us, but this is pretty much just showing. This took one of our weekends, one of our only weekends this summer, that we didn't have rain. So this had to get done because general house maintenance. So yeah, hope you enjoy our somewhat struggles. Had to go back and forth to the store a bunch of times to get the right fittings and stuff because we didn't get the right ones the first time, but we got it done in the long run, and now hopefully sewer won't have to be done in this house for another, I don't know, 30, 50 years or something, hopefully. So, keeping an eye on it. Anytime we visit, take a look, make sure nothing's leaking in the basement or whatever, and yeah. So yeah, we rented this Kubota mini excavator. Did pretty well for us. It was definitely took a little while to learn how to use it, as you'll see in these coming clips.
Bring that right up to the other chain if you want. Not like there isn't enough. Oh, we just got a break from there. Put it back in there. Nothing else is out of the way. Did it spin any of the metal? Keep going. It can't, it's not enough.
No, it broke at the T.
That's not exactly surprising.
Yeah, I know. I can hear him through the pipe.
Hey! Come in here!
So what's the plan?
Get that thing out of there.
How about pick it up? You go ahead.
Steaks on mixing with the absolute shit smell down there. It's something to be well controlled.
got to clean that hole and send some pipe through. Got 80 foot of pipe back here in the back of the 67, ready to go in the hole. Got it pretty much from the T over here, going all the way down and hooked into the main down there. There goes the machine. Did great for us. Well, folks, that's all she wrote. There's a clean out right there under the bucket, and the new line goes from here all the way up the hill, bang into the house. Got it all packed down as much as we can, raked out. Just needs some rain. Then I'll put some more compost or loam on top of this, and then hopefully she'll grow grass again next year. But no more sewage issues. So this is the pipe that comes into the basement. You saw us putting it in. And off this pipe you see we have, that's the toilet for the main bathroom right here. That's the kitchen sink right there. This right here with the trap right there, that's the shower. And then this is the bathroom sink right here. We have this opening here we haven't plumbed in yet. That goes with this guy. It goes over and across and that way. There's actually a bathroom over there that's not turned on yet. But we're gonna plumb it back in here with an extra elbow off of here. So later on, in case if somebody wants to put the laundry back down here, there's a drain for it. Right now the laundry's upstairs. So actually I think one of these could be the upstairs laundry right now and not the sink, because I think the sink might tie in with something else. The sink might tie in with the shower. And then up off of here, you have your vent. It goes right outside, up the top. That's that old pipe still. But it's inside. It's not leaking or anything. It's just a vent, so we're going to leave that. So yeah, this used to be that big cast pipe right here. This whole jabonga right here, so you could see it had the two for the bathroom. And that'd be the toilet for the bath. No, this would be the toilet for the bathroom. And this would be for that other bathroom. So this whole big thing used to stick out of the wall, and you'd knock your knees into it as you walked by. So this setup is much more compact and pulled into the wall. Yep. But we got a lot of cleanup now. So this is how that 8-inch clay pipe was meeting in with the town. And yeah, that giant boot to that reducer, not the best idea. As you can see here, one of those tree roots went right between the boot and the reducer and was fully inside that boot. So that's one big reason we had to take this whole thing out. And there's that big old cast iron that went through the house.